How's it going everyone, and welcome back to another video. I'm gonna show you how to set up the Google Nest Hub Max. First you have to use the Google Home application. Let's go to the application. It's already showing me the device Nest Hub Max 26 C7 found. I click next. Right, it's showing me the same code H8C6, H8C6. We'll click yes, yes I'm in. I'm gonna choose it family room. I'm gonna call it Google Screen. I will give it now I'm connected. I will connect it now to Wi-Fi. It's connected, the same thing on the phone. Okay, it's connected. Let's go to the next step.
Google Nest Hub Max with the Google Assistant.
Hi, how can I help?
Here's how it works. Just tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day and check out videos, recipes, and more. Want to reach out? It's easy to make video calls and video messages with Duo. Hey Google, call Andrew. When your camera and mic are live streaming video, the indicator light will turn green. To turn off the camera and mic, just flip the mic and camera switch on the back of the device, and the light will turn orange. With FaceMap, your assistant can tell you apart from others and show info that's meant just for you. Just approach Nest Hub Max to see reminders, messages, and other personal content. With Google Photos, see your best and latest photos automatically, and share with friends and family. They even adjust to match the lighting in your room. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust settings and turn off the camera. To keep your smart home running smoothly, just swipe down for Home View, where you can control your compatible devices in one place. Hey Google, turn on the lamp. Away for the day? Use the Home app on your phone to use the Nest Cam and keep an eye on things while you're on the go. When you're back, unwind with millions of songs on YouTube Music. Or use your voice to watch your favorite shows on YouTube TV. Hey Google, show me how to knead dough. You can adjust the volume with the buttons behind the right side of the display. To pause or play, simply look at the device and put up a hand. Remember, if you ever want to learn more, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" And you can always use the Google Home app to further customize your settings. Ready to give your Nest Hub Max a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started.
Alright, sounds good.
Okay guys, now we're gonna make a video call and test the camera. The camera has wide angle, it's very good. It can show the whole room and it can show around 6-7 people. That's why I wanted to buy the device, so I can talk to my mom and she can see me overseas from Lebanon to Australia, and she can see all my kids. I'm gonna test it now with my wife. Okay Google, call wife.
Making a video call to wife.
I can't hide.
How's it going?
Hello.
Alright, I will show you guys how is it loud. I'm gonna put it full volume. Okay, let's try.
Very, very loud, yes.
It is very, very loud. And guys, I can move, like I can go this way and should follow me. And look how is it very wide angle. And I click on top and I click this one, it will stop it following me. And if I click it back again, and it will do that automatically.
Yeah.
You see, look, it just did zoom out and it showed Bilal's face and my face. Alright, bye bye honey.
Bye, bye.
Awesome.
Okay guys, now we are watching how wide the camera is, and it will follow you left or right, depends on the movement. Okay guys, the Google assistant can give you a lot of stuff. Okay, Google, show me some recipe for Lebanese food.
Here are some recipes I found.
Okay, our beautiful kibbeh just showed up, so we can click on it and it will give me all the ingredients and how to do it, and you can click start cooking, and when you are cooking in the kitchen, and then it will tell you automatically. Alright, another feature. Okay, Google, open YouTube.
Okay, YouTube.
You can open the YouTube and you can watch videos. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, Google, open MKBHD latest video.
Okay, here's MKBHD on YouTube.
And I can click that and I can scroll.
Cameras.
You see? It's playing the video.
On paper, this is
And
the
I can
best
zoom
phone
like
you-
that. Alright. That's it. Okay guys, so another feature you can use on the Google display, you can actually cast from application how you do it like Chromecast. So if you click on the button, it's showing Google display. I click on display, open YouTube immediately. I can use any video I want and I can watch. I'm gonna start playing a music. I'll put the volume up a bit. If I click like that now, disconnect, it stopped casting. So, what apps you can use on it? You can use Stan, you can use all the Aussie apps, ABC iView, SBS On Demand, Channel 10, Channel 9, all of them working. Prime Video did not work, Netflix did not work. The reason did not work because Prime Video, they just supported Chromecast. Netflix, I've contacted Netflix by myself and Google, and I asked them on a Twitter and with Netflix support. And there is some articles on the internet that says that Netflix support for smart displays is coming soon. Alright, this is another feature. If you really want this device to contact your family, to contact relatives one, and this device is really good, it's smart, and it's really good for old people who doesn't want to go and open a computer and start using video call. This will work for them. They can just use a voice command and just ask, call my son, call my wife, call my son-in-law, and this is a good device. I hope everyone enjoyed this review, and make sure to share, like, and subscribe. If you want to buy it, we will put the link in the description below, and you can go to JB Hi-Fi or you can buy it online. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.